Welcome you all to the video lecture on Visual Basic, Variables and Data Type, Unit 1. Let's move on to the topic. What is Visual Basic? Visual Basic is a programming language which is created by Microsoft. It is an extension of the basic programming language that combines basic functions and commands with visual control. It provides a graphical user interface, that is, you can drag and drop the objects into the program as well as you can manually write a program code. That is, for example, if you create a form and you can drag and drop lots of tools which is available in the toolbar. It can be a button. If you drag and drop the button, you can write the code for that particular button. IDE. The full form of IDE is Integrated Development Environment, which is also known as Integrated Design Environment and Integrated Debugging Environment. It is a type of computer software that helps the computer programmers to develop their own software. Creating a program by using an IDE will be in a fraction of time than the program which is created without using the IDE. Event-driven programming. Visual Basic is an event-driven programming language. The flows and controls of the program are determined by some events. In computer programming, the events are some user actions such as mouse click, key press, mouse hover. When a particular event occurs, the event handler handles this event and the functions corresponding to that event is called. 5 types of data. The first is Boolean, which returns either true or false values. The next is long data type. It is used for large whole numbers. The next is string. It is used for alphanumeric data such as letters, digits and other characters. The next is date. It is used for 8-character dates, for example, the day, the month and the year. So the totally it consists of 8 characters. So the date represents the 8 characters. The next is integer. It's used with whole numbers in the range which is given in the slide. The next one is the variant, which is a default Visual Basic data type and it stores any type of data. User-defined data type. The user can create their own data type. Some of the user-defined data types are record and enumerator data type. In record, it allows the user to create a mixed variable. That is, you can create a data type of numbers and strings. The next is enumerator data type. It allows the user to create a data type by attaching names for the numbers. So, for every data and value will be assigned, that is from 0, 1, 2, so on. Arithmetic operators. The various arithmetic operators have listed below: addition, subtraction, negation, multiplication, division, integer division, exponential and modulus. Variables. A variable is a name given to the storage area. A syntax for the variable is DIM variable as type. VAR indicates the name of the variable, type indicates the data type of the variable. An example has been given for single variable and more than one variable. An example for single variable is DIM marks as integer. It indicates that mark is a variable of type integer. The next example is for more than one variable. Here DIM mark1, total as integer. It indicates that mark1 and total both is of type integer. Declaration of string variable. There are two types: variable length and fixer length. In variable length, The size of the variable depends on the value that is assigned to it. For example, dim str as string and str is equal to hello. This indicates that the length of the string is 5. The next is fixed length. Here, the string variable size is assigned at the design time. The size of the variable is fixed and it remains constant. Here, an example is given with dim name as string into 20. It indicates that the variable name can store characters up to 20. Scope of the variable. Scope of the variable determines the section of an application in which the variable can be used. There are three types of variable scope available in VB. They are private, module level, and public. In private level, the variables are declared within the procedure and they are local to that procedure. An example is given where dim a as integer. It indicates the variable a is of type integer and a value of 20 is assigned to it. And a is accessible only within the function save. It cannot be accessed outside the function. The next level is module level. The module level variable is accessible from all the procedures in the module, but not from the other modules. In module level, the variable is declared in declaration section at the top of the module. The next scope is the public scope, where the variable is accessible to all the modules or throughout the application. Here, the variable is declared with a public keyword. A sample program to check the prime number is given. Here, the variable NND takes a single value, whereas the variable tag takes a string value. Once the user enters the number for which the prime number is to be checked. Here there is a select case where, based upon the given number, each case is checked. If the given number is less than 2, it indicates that it is not a prime number. If it is equal to 2, then it is a prime number. The next is if it is greater than 2. D is initialized to 2 and a do-while loop is used to check the divisibility of the given number. The given number is checked by dividing that number from the value 2 till the number -1. Under any case, if the given number is divisible, then it indicates that it is not a prime number. Once it comes out of the loop, if condition is used to check whether the tag is not a prime number, then the caption is assigned as it is a prime number. So this is the end of the program.